Okay, hi guys. So it's Sunday night and I'm in my basement and I'm recording this overview. Hopefully you're seeing this on Monday. So I'm going to talk really quickly about the trimester, but since I've already talked about that in other videos, it's going to be really quick. We are going to spend about 6 to 7 weeks talking about the Hunger Games. We're going to be reading and then writing about the Hunger Games. Our summative assessments are going to be journal entries that you are writing as secondary characters in the story, so not the main characters, but either imagined characters or characters that aren't as important in the story that are still consistent with the story. You're going to be doing reading guides. We're going to have some weekly in-person discussions, which might be on WebEx, might be on other Schoology discussions, we'll see. And then there's going to be some daily reading quizzes and some weekly vocabulary quizzes to keep us going. After that, we're going to move to a persuasive writing unit where you are with the team suggesting some changes that should be made to society and writing persuasively to convince people that you are right. I hope we'll be together by that time, but if we're not, we're still going to work on it together, but remotely. All this is posted online. Take a look at it. Ask me questions if you have them, please. So let's actually go look at Schoology. Not quite sure what just happened then, so we'll see if what you can see. So when you go to my class, this is my schedule. It shows you when I will be online during the day. There's a period here where I am not. So from 10:45 to about 12:30, I won't be, I might be checking my emails, but I won't be necessarily immediately available online. But otherwise, most of the time I'll be checking in. Also, every week you will see right in front your suggested schedule for the week. I'm not going to read the whole thing to you. I'm going to show you more where you're going to find what you need. So if you click on this, here's the trimester overview. In just a second, this video will be posted right below it, so it'll look a little bit different. Some of you have used Macinvia before. Macinvia is what you're going to use to download the book Hunger Games. So if you aren't sure how to do it, take a look at this video. This is a discussion questions I will leave open all week. This is not an assignment. This is where you say, hey, Miss Grant, I don't know how to do this. Please put your questions in there. I'm sure other people have questions that you have, and it'd be really nice to answer them for everybody. Here you have two assignments, the reading guide for the week and the vocabulary for the week. The reading guide has a little explanation. The overview is the explanation. It says HG Reading Guide Week 1 is the actual assignment. And again, there's a couple of videos to help you. This vocabulary I don't suggest you start doing till Tuesday because I think today is going to be pretty full. But again, this is the assignment. It's due Friday, and then this video is a help on what you need to do. This is audio that I recorded of all the readings. So this one is the reading for today. This is Tuesday's reading, Wednesday's reading, Thursday's reading. There is not an assigned reading for Friday. So that's in the folder audio of the readings. Nope, I'm not going to take you through all those. Let's go back here. Down here in the summative assignment box, you have the 4 reading quizzes. So you take one tomorrow, one Wednesday, one Thursday, one Friday. Again, that's the suggested schedule if you're not quite on track, but you're making progress. That's what I'm looking for. And on Friday, there's a vocabulary quiz. Each of the reading quiz you can take 5 times. And you don't have to ask to retake them. The vocabulary quiz you do have to ask to retake, and if you leave the quiz you can't go back in, so make sure that you are prepared before you get started because you'll have to finish. Next, finally, If you had some trouble with Mac and VIA, I do have a PDF version of the assignment. And at the very bottom, though I might try to move this up when the video is done, I'm going to just hang out in my WebEx section on Monday. So if you click on this, it should take you to my WebEx room, and I'll just be there. So check in with me at some point today. It can be during this class period, but it doesn't necessarily have to be, as long as it's when I have class. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. I look forward to reading with you. I wish it were a little bit more with you. Maybe we can talk about ways to do that later. And I look forward to seeing your good work.